Hi viewers, warm welcome to JD Realtors property channel. In this video, you are watching 1455 SFT west facing 3 BHK flat in a gated community. Property name is Ramkivan Cosmos. Property location Nalagandla. This is total minus 2 level car parking and G plus 14 floors high rise towers, and this flat is available for sale in 11th floor. This is with interior for sale. This is main entrance and drawing. Complete sliding door in your drawing. To the drawing you have a big balcony which is open view. Then this flat is completely ventilated. Every corner is good ventilated. So this is the balcony, and this property is like S shape, all the towers A to G. This is between towers view. This flat has two balconies, one utility. One is for drawing, another one is for bedroom. The quality of construction also is very good. The property life is nearly 5 years. Property name is Ramkivan Cosmos, west facing flat, 3 BHK. Yes, this is dining area. The flat is very good condition. You are watching that dining area near this storage. And 3 bedrooms, 2 toilets. You can see this is one bedroom, another one also. There are 2 bedrooms. For these 2 bedrooms, there is one common toilet. From this bedroom also you can see the outside view. It is completely towards Lingampalli Patancheru view. From this property, major international schools are there. Less than 3 to 4 kilometers radius. Manthan school is there, and Birla Open Mind school is there. Sancta Maria school is there. And very close to this property is 150 feet road from Nalagandla to Financial District. Wipro, ISB, Microsoft, Cognizant, Apple, Amazon, QCity IT Park, and US Consulate, ICICI main branch in Gachibowli, Financial District. All are less than 5 to 7 kilometer radius. And from this place you can drive to the international airport less than 30 minutes drive. And ORR exit number 1 is less than 7 kilometers radius from this property. This is other bedroom balcony. The view is very super from this flat, and this is very independent flat, because there is no near flat beside of this tower. There is no flat very near to this particular unit. That is the advantage. You can see the construction also in very good condition. This is really worthy property to the price. For the price part, please call us on below number 9491807979. If you are watching first time our YouTube channel, please subscribe our channel. If you are interested in this property, please call us on below number and come visit the property, and as soon as possible please finalize. To all the property buyers from JD Realtors, all the best, because it is a big goal in every human life to have a own house. For that reason, everybody will try to own one house first for living purpose in their life. Therefore, always we support you to fill your dream as soon as possible with all the possibilities, with right property at right price. Kindly subscribe our channel. To visit this property, please call us on below number. This is the kitchen. This is ready to live flat. Just you need to bring the loose furniture. Everything is ready. Flat is in very good condition. Interested buyers, please call us on below number 9491807979. From this property, Lingampalli MMTS station is less than 2 to 3 kilometers, and this property is right behind of the Ramki 1 Galaxia Nalagandla and opposite to the Aparna Sarovar. Please subscribe our channel. For more details about this property, please call us on below number 9491807979. You can see this is complete hall and living area, drawing area view, and this is the common toilet. Wash basin near to the dining. The owner did his interior with very interest. By seeing the flat, you can understand his taste. And false ceiling, cupboards, washrooms all are in good condition. The flat also maintained by the owner in well maintained way. This flat is as a brand new flat. It is same like that only. This is 5 years old property. To purchase this flat, please call us on below number. You can see washrooms all are in good condition only. This is 3 BHK 1455 SFT west facing flat for sale in Ramki 1 Cosmos. To purchase this property, please call us on below number. Price is the best price is available. To know the price, please call us on below number. You can see it has a separate corridor from lift area. You have a very huge corridor in front of your flat. This is drawing TV point. Thank you for watching entire video. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you.